What is going on, guys? It is Friday, finally. Wanted to talk to you about what it is that I do for my beard when I get out of the shower. What I like to do is start off with some beard balm. Now, I usually use beard balm or beard oil. You can use beard balm, beard oil, beard butter, lots of different things. That's just what I like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and get some in my palm of my hand. Get it emulsified like that. Just a little bit of heat. A little bit of heat from your hands. Get that rubbed in there nice and good like, guys. Woo, man, it smells good. Make sure you get it in your mustache too. Man, it smells good. Alright. You're going to want to take a wide-toothed comb. Plastic. Don't use a metal comb. You can buy bone combs. You can buy wooden combs. You can buy good plastic combs. Get yourself a good comb. Wide tooth. Run that down through your beard real good like. Now again, guys, this is just the way I like to do it. You can do it however you like, whatever works best for you. This is what I like to do. Get that rubbed in there real good. Go ahead and shape it up. Now guys, beard balm is a little bit thicker, so it's going to give you a little bit of a hold on your beard. It's not going to give you a super heavy hold, but it'll do something nice for it. Alright guys, like I said, real quick, real simple. That's all you got to do. See you in the next couple videos.